That colourful beak. Nature engineered it for far more than looks. A parrot's beak is made of bone covered in keratin, the same material found in human nails. And just like nails, their beaks never stop growing. They use them to climb, grip, peel, crack, groom, and explore. For many parrots, the beak works almost like a third foot, strong enough to crack hard shells and nuts within seconds. But strength is only half the story. That same beak can gently peel fruit, pick up tiny seeds, and care for every feather with precision. One beak, thousands of everyday uses.